How to turn off camera sound on iPhone. To get started, first of all open up the camera application on your phone. You are now in the iPhone camera screen. On this screen, tap on the capture button below to take a photo. As you can see, it makes a sound while it captures. If you want to turn off this sound, then switch your phone to silent mode. And then, try capturing a photo again without the sound. Alternatively, open up the Shortcuts application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the bottom panel and tap on Automation in the middle. From here, you can create automations to make shortcuts run automatically. Tap on New Automation as shown. Type in App in the search bar and tap on it. Here, select Is opened. And then, select Run immediately below. After that, tap on Choose beside App. Search for or scroll down to find Camera and select it. And then, tap on Done at the top right corner. Then, tap on Next. Here, tap on New Blank Automation. Now, go to the search bar and type in Set Volume and tap on it. Tap on the volume level and lower it to 0%. After that, tap on Done above. You have now successfully set up this automation. Following these steps, you can easily turn off camera sound on iPhone.